How about this? I, how about this? And how about this? And how about this? N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, A, L, C, Q, R, D, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now my ABCs. Let's try ABC.
Hey Dong, can you identify the fruits and the animals?
Yes.
Okay,
And
give me a try. Okay, where's the tiger?
it's here.
That's the
In the
eagle. Oh no, it's a hawk bird.
But
Oh, where's the
and
zebra?
it's there.
No, it's a giraffe. A zebra. It's like a horse. Yeah.
No, it's a zebra.
Okay, and
Dili man na horse zebra man na akan sa zebra. Akan.
the giraffe.
Yeah.
Where's the penguin?
It's dili man ni penguin.
Oh, what's that?
Kuan man ni monkey.
Oh yes, that's a monkey.
Monkey. Yes.
And where is the cat?
It's here.
Okay, and the rabbit
It's
or a
here.
hare.
And the cow is here, and the bear, and the elephant, and the dog.
What?
I see.
What's that?
The
Deer. Yeah, it's a
yes.
deer.
Yes, a deer.
Yeah. And then
And then
where's the snake?
here is the snake.
Macy.
And the eyes, two little eyes here. The eyes,
Okay.
and then other eyes here, and the now eyes here. The eyes, and the eyes, in one mouth. It's a one mouth, and then
Where's the frog?
eat.
Frog, then the dog.
Oh
No, dog ba? Dog. A puppy.
no! In the lion.
And the kangaroo. Where's the kangaroo? The sea turtle. Wow. And
Baby
then
kangaroo. That's all is a snake. Mama, I see.
okay. Where's the elephant?
It's here.
Ah, two elephants. And the lion.
Here.
And then the butterfly.
This.
Where is the koala? Wow. And then the wolf. Hmm.
Big is animals and the world is
What other animals?
in the slow seas. And the elephant is tail,
Yes.
and the toys, and the other toys. We have a dinosaur.
Yeah.
In the not buy and the no more money.
No more money? No. Julian, Papa's Julian has many
Gamay na lang atong
money. Huh?
Na lang ato.
We have only 4 pesos?
Yes, ana.
4?
Ana,
5?
wala na ang money na ho. I see.
You see a money. That's 25 cents.
Yes, this animal is like a money.
Okay, fruits na po. Fruits. Where's the apple? Apple.
Yay!
Then the watermelon.
Yay!
The grapes. Ooh, the banana. Strawberry. A strawberry. No, it's not a strawberry. That's a cherry. That's a tomato. An orange. Where's an orange?
This
The pineapple. Pineapple, the yellow one with the green leaves on top of the fruit. Here. Oh man, I cannot see. That's a pineapple. That one. And the cherry. Cherry. Wow. And there's the corn.
yes, corn.
Corn, the yellow corn.
Yellow
Here.
Hey.
Yeah, that's where's the eggplant?
and plant.
The purple one, eggplant.
Purple.
Yeah, I'm sorry. And
Tea.
the cabbage,
Cabbage.
the vegetable cabbage.
Not now.
You don't know there beside the eggplant picture.
And plant.
Beside, right? Oh man. Here, this is the cabbage. And
Bayata ang double.
you want to eat that vegetable cabbage?
Mia.
Okay.
Just Mia.
Okay, mag-eat mo Mia niyan, ha?
Dili. Mia, what?
Okay, can you identify these letters, Mangga? These words? What letter is this?
Look. Like this.
Bun, what letter is this?
Look.
What is that? What animal is that? That's a...
Bird in the.
No, it's not a bird. A peacock.
Yes.
And this one? What is that? Penguins.
Dili man ni penguin monkey. Kanin kay penguin man.
Yes. Okay.
Little penguin.
Yes. Dong, Bun. Please listen. What letter is this?
E.
Oh? F.
Tawag ko
Okay, right. That's okay. I will just read later. Sige na.
Ato.
Hey. What's the next letter?
Hey. What is this name?
Oh, what is that?
Cover.
Cucumber.
Yes. And this.
The potato.
And this.
The pea.
This.
And that's a radish.
And this.
A pumpkin.
And this.
Corn.
This.
Eggplant. Ika ko na be.
And this.
Okay, what do you call that?
And this.
Ala, di ka balo. That's a pepper.
Chili.
Yeah, chili or a pepper.
And that's grape.
Strawberry? No, that's not a grape. That's a strawberry fruit. Yeah, the pink one or the red one.
No, grapes.
Now, where's the banana? Banana. Bananas in pajamas are ano to daw? What? I don't know the lyrics of the bananas in pajamas. Okay. What will you do next?
What is nine?
Bun is ready for schooling this June. You want to go to school? Why do you want to go to school? Bun? Because I want to learn.
The chorus, this, and the mouth, and this,
Oh. Okay.
My teacher is yes.
Okay. I want to ask you something.
Yes.
What is your name?
My turn.
Okay, just a complete sentence. My name